The learning is Nishmas Etta Ahuva Basyakim. Maseches Nazir Paragalf Mishna Beis. Harini Nazir min Achatzanim min Azagim. Someone says that he's becoming a Nazir only from one thing, from not eating seeds or skins of a grape. Uminat Agachas, or only from not taking a haircut. Uminat Tumah, or only from not becoming Tameh. Even though he only said one thing, the Tana of the Mishnah holds, he's a Nazir v'chol deduk Nazir salav. He's a Nazir legabe everything. He has all three halachas. He's not allowed to drink wine. He's not allowed to take a haircut, and he's not allowed to become tamei. Reb Shimon in the Gemara holds that he doesn't become a Nazir at all unless he makes a neder from all of them. The Mishnah continues, Hareini kishimshin kiben noach kibal dalila. If he says, I am like Shimshon, who was the son of Noach, who was the husband of Dalila, or he says, Kimisha akar dalsas Aza, like the person that was uprooted the doors of Aza, which is also Shimshon. Kimisha akar plishin esainav, or he says, I am like the person that the Pelishtim knocked at his eyes. Hareza Nazir Shimshon. We'll see in a second what the halacha of Nazir Shimshon is. Now, Chesuri Mechzer V'Achik, the Gemara says you have to put in V'im Nadar Liyas Nazir Olam. If he made to be a Naziris of a Nazir Olam, then Hareza Nazir Olam. What's the difference? Ma bein Nazir Olam and Nazir Shimshon. What is a Nazir Shimshon? What's a Nazir Olam? Nazir Olam, both of them are Tamei, are Naziris forever. But a Nazir Olam is Hichbet Saira Meka Batar. When his hair gets too heavy, he could trim it with a razor, which there are three Tanam in the Gemara, either once every 12 months, once every 30 days, or once a week. And when he does that, he's maybe Shalosh Behemoth, like a Nazir at the end of his Naziris, B'yay Maloya, that he brings a Chatas, an Oila, and a Shlama. B'im Nitma, maybe Carbon Tuma, then he brings the Karbanos of a Nazir Tameh, which is a Chatas, Oila, and a Asham. Nazir Shimshon, but however, Nazir Shimshon, Hichbet Saira Eina Mekel, he's a Nazir forever and he can never take any type of haircut at all, but he has a kula, V'im Nitma, Eina maybe Carbon Tuma, which the Gemara says, even though it says V'im Nitma, it's L'chatchila, he's allowed to become Tameh. It's a Shita Rabbi Yehuda, our Mishnah. And Reb Shimon argues and says that there's no such thing as becoming a Nazir Shimshon, because Shimshon was born a Nazir, but you can't make yourself into a Nazir Shimshon. The Tana of our Mishnah held that you could make yourself into a Nazir Shimshon, and you can never take a haircut, but you're allowed to become Tameh. Mishnah Gimel, Snam Naziris Shloimie Yomi. Snam Naziris is 30 days. There's a machlekes in the Gemara if you learn out from Yia, which is Gematria 30, and then you can only take a haircut on day 31, or if it's learned out because it says Nazir 29 times in the Torah, and according to that, you would take a haircut on day 30. There are other Mishnayos later in the Masechta will have to be Miyashav according to both Shitas. Amar Hareini Nazir Achas Gedela, Hareini Nazir Achas Ketana, Afilu Mikan Va'ad Seif Ha'olam. If he says I'm a Nazir Gedela or Ketana, or even if he says from here until the end of the world, what he means to say is, the Gemara says that it's just going to be hard on me, Naziris, like Mikan Va'ad Seif Ha'olam. But really, he's only becoming a Nazir for Shloshim Yom. The Mishnah says another halacha, Hareini Nazir v'yom echad. If he says, use the word Nazir, so that's Stam Naziris is 30 days, and Yom echad, and you can't have a Naziris for Yom echad because Stam Naziris Shloshim Yom, so he's going to have two Naziris. Same thing if he says Hareini Nazir v'sha achas, he's going to have to have two Naziris. Or if he says Hareini Nazir achas umechza, I'm a Nazir 1.5 times. So in all these three cases we say Harezeh Nazir shtayim. However, if he says Hareini Nazir Shloshim Yom, he spoke out 30 days v'sha achas, or he said Nazir Shloshim ve'echad Yom, then you say that he means to say a Nazir for 30 days and 1 shah, or a Nazir for 31 days, and not 2 Naziris, she'ein noizin l'shayis, because a person doesn't make a Naziris for hours. Rather, what he meant to do, since we're able to do it, we say that he meant to be mitzdaref that hour to the 30 days.